Unit 7, Lesson 5, Sailing Alone. In 1996, Subaru Takahashi sailed alone across the Pacific Ocean. Many other people did this before Subaru, but he was special. At age 14, he was the youngest person to sail across the Pacific by himself. Subaru left Tokyo on July 22, 1996. His boat was 30 feet, 9 meters long. In the boat, he had a 2-month supply of food and water. He also had a radio and other modern equipment for sailing. The beginning of the trip went very well. Subaru often talked to his parents by radio. He didn't have any problems with his boat. Then, on August 11th, the engine in his boat quit. Suddenly, Subaru was without electricity. This affected his navigation equipment. Then, 5 days later, his radio quit. Now he wasn't able to communicate with anyone. And he was still 2,770 miles, 4,490 kilometers, away from his destination, San Francisco. By the end of August, many people believed that Subaru was lost. No one was able to contact him by radio. His parents expected him to arrive in San Francisco on September 3rd, but he didn't. Then, on September 13th, Subaru sailed into San Francisco. After 55 days in his boat, his trip was finally over. Many people believe that Subaru was too young to sail alone. They say that parents shouldn't allow children to make such dangerous trips. However, other people say that children should have adventures too. What do you think?